Good day, everyone. My name is Russell Miguel Sabulao, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve a chemical reaction. But first, I'm gonna teach you what is chemical reaction first. A chemical reaction, a process in which one or more substance is converted to one or more substance. Now, in front of you, we're going to test, I'm gonna give you an example how to solve number 8. In number 8, we have N2H2 and NH3. In solving how to get the balance between these two sides. Now, if you're confused, how did we get 6 and 3? Same with here. 6 and 2. And the upper side, same with 2 and 2. First, N2 N2 is a substance. And the other side, there are N, only N. So, if you can see, there is no balance between each two, but they are same substance, N and N, but not the same number, 2 and 2. Why N has 2? Because of the substance N2. Now we're going to copy it and put it on his side. And the other side, N has no number. So we're going to put automatically 1. Now to balance each other, we need to use multiplication so that they can be balanced. So we need to put 2. So 2 times 1 is equals to 2. Now they are balanced. And H and H. H2 is staying with the explanation on the upper side, or on the top side, H and H. Now why is H2, why does H has a 2? But I'm going to but I've almost forgot. This left side, and this is the right side. The left side is called reactants. Now on the right side, it is product. Now going back to my explanation, how did H2 and H3 get 6? It's the same. Based on my explanation, you just need to multiply. So we need to multiply 2 to 3. So 3, 6. So we have 6 now. Now in here, how can we get 6? We need to multiply 3 and 2 so that we can get number 6. Now they are balanced. Now in the here, why does there are 3 and 2. They are called coefficient. Coefficient. You always need to put coefficient number before the symbol or the letter. You can't put after the letter. Now, N8 N and H3 is magkadikit. So we need to multiply 2 and 3. And of course, same with here. We get 6 because we copy 2 and we put 2 here. But how did 2 get in this position? Because we add 2 so that N2 and the reactant side can be balanced on the product side. So we put 2. And we put 2 here to multiply with 3 so that we can get 6. Same in here. We put 3 and 2. Now, in the next example, Cl2 plus NaI to NaCl plus I2. Of course, we need to copy all the symbols. We can put it here. Always remember that they should be same on the position. Of course, all symbol here will be automatically be reactants. And of course, on the other side, product. You just all need to do is copy paste all the symbol and the number beside of it. Copy Cl2 Na, because Na has no number on its side, so it's automatically be B1. And I put it here I, and automatically there's no number besides it, so automatically B1. Same on the product side. Copy Cl, Na, and I. Now the question is why I has 2? Because it has a number beside it. Now, 2 and 2. Where did this number 2 came from? Of course, we need to multiply the product area so that in the reactants area will be balanced on the product side. So we need to multiply 2 so that we can get 2. Now there's balance. Here, of course, we should not forget that the 2 should be put before the symbols here. The Na and Na, they same one. But of course, Na and Cl is magkadikit. So, since they are magkadikit, number 2 will automatically be of course Na will be automatically be affected with number 2 because Na and Cl is together. Magkadikit sila.
So, affected si Na sa coefficient. So, we put 2. Now, it is now 2 times 1 is equals to 2. Now, it is 2. Now, number 1, it cannot be balanced with number 2. So, we need to multiply Na2 so that we can get 2. Of course, we will put number 2 because and beside before the Na. And always remember 2 is coefficient, and when you put the number here before the symbol, it is called coefficient. And do not forget to put a number before the symbol. Same here, and I and I1 and I2, they're not balanced. So of course, we put 2. And but always be observant. There is 2 already and NAI. So as I said kanina, automatically there I is be affected because magkadikit sila, they are together. So we put 2, and of course the answer is 2 because multiplication. 2 times 1 is always be 2. Now, in the reactant area and the product area, they are all now balanced. And always remember, put coefficient number before the symbol. That's all.
If that ass don't sit like a horse.